بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. أعزائي طلاب الصف الرابع من التعليم الأساسي بسلطنة عمان، السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. استكمالا لمراجعة المنهج الدراسي للصف الرابع والمراجعة النهائية قبيل الامتحانات إن شاء الله بإذن الله سنستكمل اليوم الجزء الثاني من الوحدة الرابعة Jobs Unit 4. In this part of the unit, we are going to discuss and explain how to express the time, how to answer the questions. What time is it? What is the time? نوضح هذه الفيديو كيف نجيب على سؤال ما هو الوقت أو ما الوقت. what is the time or what time is it. عندنا 4 طرق للتعبير عن الوقت، وهم أول طريقة نمبر 1 لو احنا الساعة بالتحديد بالضبط، يعني 1 2 3، يبقى هنقول it's 1 o'clock, it's 2 o'clock, it's 3 o'clock, it's 4 o'clock and etc. الطريقة الثانية the second we are going to say it's half past. يعني الساعة ونصف. half past 12 12 ونص. half past 11 11 ونص. half past 10 10 ونص. الطريقة the third we are going to express with quarter past الساعة وربع. it's quarter past 11 it's quarter past 10 يعني الساعة 10 وربع. يبقى احنا عندنا الساعة بالضبط، الساعة ونصف والساعة وربع والساعة الثالثة الرابعة إلا ربع. it's quarter to يعني الساعة إلا ربع. يبقى عندنا 4 طرق للتعبير عن الساعات. أما الطريقة الإضافية والطريقة الخامسة اللي هي التعبير عن الساعة الرقمية، هنطبق معاها نفس الكلام half past وquarter past وquarter to، بس بفرق إن إحنا هنحولهم لدقايق. يبقى 30 past 9 يعني الساعة 9 ونص. it's quarter to 6 it's 15 to 6 and so on. or it's a quarter to 11 or to 10 and so on. Read and draw the times. Yesterday was a special day. Marwa had lots of work. At 9 o'clock she cooked a cake. 9 o'clock, it means that the hour sting will be on 9 and the other or the minute sting will be on 12. الساعة 9 يعني احنا بنرسم على 9 عقرب الساعات، وعلى الدقايق اللي هو 12 عقرب الدقائق، وفي الحالة دي بنجيب الساعة 9 بالضبط. At quarter past 10 she painted a picture. When? At quarter past 10. quarter past 10 it means الساعة 10 وربع. Picture number 3. At a quarter to 11 she watered the flowers. 11:45 11 إلا ربع. Okay, picture number 4 at 20 past 11 20 past 11 11 دقيقة. She cleaned the house. She cleaned the house. Picture number 5 at 11:45 she helped Dad blow up some balloon. Picture number 6 at 1:45 her mother opened the door. Marwa shouted, "Happy birthday, Mom." Activity 1. Write. Look at the pictures and put the words into the correct order to make a sentence. هنبص للصورة في الأول، ننظر إلى الصورة وبعدين ننظر إلى الكلمات وبعدين نعيد ترتيب الكلمات عشان يكون عندنا جملة صحيحة وسليمة. دائما الجمل في اللغة الإنجليزية اللي آخرها فول ستوب بتبدأ بفاعل، وفاعل ضمائر الفاعل هي وشي وات وذي ووي ويو وآي وأي اسم مفرد أو أي اسم جمع. So we are going to look for he or she here. So we are going to start this sentence. Arrives he 8 o'clock at. He arrives at 8 o'clock. Picture number 2. On he bottles shelves the puts the means we are going to start with the subject pronoun. He puts the bottles on the shelves. Three tens stakes prices that he on means he stakes prices on the tens. After that, the works till he at. He works at the till. The last picture. 5 o'clock he at home goes. He goes home at 5 o'clock. At 5 o'clock. Now look and write. Look at the pictures and write the answers to these pictures. What does Paul want to be? He wants to be a soldier. Right. Number 2. What does Ali want to be? He wants to be a pilot. Number 3. What does Ma want to be? She wants to be a nurse. Number 4. What does Vicky want to be? She wants to be zookeeper. Number 5. What does Sammy want to be? He wants to be a footballer. Number 6 and the last one. What does Beth want to be? He wants to be a clown. In this unit, we are going to explain how to form the verbs to be in the past, or how to change the verbs into the past by adding ed. When we use ed to the verb, I played football, he played tennis, she played basketball, it played with the ball, he hovered the rug, she washed the car, it cleaned the window, we watched TV, they ironed the clothes, you washed the car. In this activity, we are going to compare between two tenses, present simple and past simple. Look and be careful with these verbs. On Thursday, I always clean my room. I usually play football and I always visit grandma. في المضارع البسيط دايما بنحط الفعل مع I في المصدر، لكن مع he و she و it بنحط عليه s أو es أو ies. لكن on the other hand بص على الناحية التانية. Yesterday I cleaned my room at 10 o'clock. Then I played football. At 5 o'clock I visited grandma. It means the verbs in the past we put ed and ied, but the verbs into present we just put the verb and the infinitive form بدون اي اضافات الا في مع هي وشي وات واي اسم مفرد بنحط له اس او اي اس او اي اي اس. لكن في الماضي دايما بنحط دي او اي دي او اي اي دي للفيرب to change it from present to the past. عشان نحوله من المضارع للماضي بنحط له دي او اي دي او اي اي دي. In this activity you are going to to answer the question, what work did they do yesterday? Wash, hover, clean, water, iron. Tariq, what did Tariq do? Look at Ahmed, what did Ahmed do? Look at Ali, what did Ali do? Look at Muhsin, what did Muhsin do? Look at Az-Zubair, what did Az-Zubair do? Ahmed hovered the rug. Yes. Tariq ironed the clothes. 3. Ali. Ali cleaned the window. Muhsin watered the plants. Okay. Zubair. Zubair washed the dog. After that, in this activity, do an interview. Ask and answer questions. What is the name of your job? English teacher. What do you work in? Where do you work in the school? Number 3. What time do you start work? 7 o'clock. Good. What time do you finish work? 2 o'clock. Do you work inside or outside? Inside. It means inside a place, inside school, inside the hospital, and so on. Do you wear a uniform? Yes. Do you like your job? Yes. Why? Because it helps students. What do you do in your job? Learn the students. Other information, any other information you like. Activity 2. Make a job book. Number 1. Write about a job in your family. Use page 77 of your class book and your interview sheet. Number 2. Read and check your writing for spelling, capital letters, and full stops. Number 3. Put your name at the bottom of the page. Number 4. Give your writing to your teacher. Your teacher will make it into a book. Look at picture number 1, a teacher. Who is a teacher in your family? A policeman. Who is a policeman in your family? A farmer. Who is a farmer in your family? A housewife. Who is a housewife in your family? A doctor. Who is a doctor in your family? A shopkeeper. Who is a shopkeeper in your family? A fisherman. Who is a fisherman in your family? A driver. Who is a driver in your family? Here we have a talent student, a driver. My brother is a driver. He starts work at 6 o'clock. He finishes work at 2 o'clock. He works in Muscat. He works in a bus. He was a دشداشة and a مصر. Be careful because and know that when we speak about a job, something, it is a reality, so we use the present simple tense. So we have these sentences which speaks about the past simple, in which we add d or ed or ied to the verbs with some certain words in the past, like yesterday, last, and ago. Number one, she walked to the zoo at a 6:15 in the morning. She played with the monkey at 7:30. She looked after the sick animals at 8 o'clock. She picked leaves for the pandas at 10:30. She helped the penguins eat some fish at 11:15. She watched the lions and tigers at 11:15. She watched the elephants at 12:30. She walked home at 4 o'clock. In this table we have two verbs, one into the present and the other into the past. واحد في المضارع والتاني في الماضي. ازاي بنحول من المضارع للماضي؟ by adding d or ed. Listen, listened, play, played, brush, brushed, walk, walked, help, helped, look, looked, arrive, arrived. In this activity, you are going to write the verbs in the past tense or the past form. Look, ask, push, arrive, help, shout, listen, pull, smile. So we are going to change them into the past. Looked, asked, pushed, arrived, helped, shouted, listened, pulled, smiled, and so on. So number one day an old man arrived good at the hospital. Number two, a nurse helped the old man sat on a wheelchair. She pushed him to the doctor's room. Number three, first the doctor asked yes the old man some questions. Then he listened to the old man's heart. Suddenly he stopped listening and he shouted, I can hear two hearts. Quickly the doctor pushed the old man to the X-ray room. The doctor looked at the X-ray. Then the doctor smiled. He asked, what have you got in your pocket? The old man pulled out a watch. It isn't a second heart. It's my watch, he said. In this activity, it's a homework. Read and write the jobs. Number one, I don't wear a uniform. I work outside in the garden. In the garden. I water plants. I am a farmer. Yes. Number two, I am always working. I don't wear a uniform. I look after the family and our home. I am a housewife. Good. Number three, I wear a uniform and I usually work in a clinic or a hospital. I help the doctor look after sick people. I am a nurse. Yes. Number four, I wear a uniform. Sometimes I work inside and sometimes I work outside. I keep people safe in the towns and villages and on the roads. I am a policeman. Number 5, I sell food, boxes of soup, toothpaste, brushes, and other things. I work inside and I don't usually wear a uniform. I am a shopkeeper. Well done. Number 6, I work outside. Sometimes I work at night. I don't have a uniform, but I have got a boat. I am a fisherman. Activity 2. Write about what Kate did yesterday. Number 1. Brush teeth. At 7 o'clock, she brushed her teeth. Play tennis. At 9 o'clock, she played tennis. Watch TV. At 3 o'clock. At 3 o'clock, she watched TV. At the end of this unit, I hope you could understand what the difference between present and past, how to form a present and how to form the past tense. Try to be careful to form sentences into the past simple and into the present simple also. أتمنى إن أنتوا تكونوا استوعبتوا كويس إزاي نحول من المضارع للماضي وإزاي نكون زمن الماضي البسيط بمنتهى السهولة والبساطة. وإذا كان عندكم استفسار ممكن تتواصلوا معايا على القناة في أي تعليق. جزاكم الله خير. أتمنى أن أنا أكون أفدتكم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. مع تحياتي أنا هاني إسماعيل.